61 rag, y'all. Frame off, all original, never been cut, never seen a torch. All the chrome's been redone. It's currently in Los Angeles, CC. Got the spotlight. It's got AC. It's all clean, all OG. Skirts, original hubcaps, fat white walls, nice and straight. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's 100% restored. Keep it all OG. You can chop it up, whatever you want to do. But it is for sale. Details is in the description. It does got the bumper guard in the front. Y'all know the prices on those. 61 rag up for sale on the chopping block. It does have options. It's all there. Again, information is in the description box, or hit me up on Instagram at @CalicTrader_. You didn't know.